summer salads. We've got their strawberry chicken salad here. And then we've got the salmon salad. These both look absolutely incredible. Let me try some of the strawberry one first. Oh, there's some candied pecans in here too. It's really good. So I love that was the dressing, but the salad has dressing already. I think that's for the pita bread. Or extra dressing on the side. No, but the strawberries are really fresh, really sweet. I'm really happy. Starting the day with something really healthy, really good food. Oh, this pita bread is so good. This is a quinoa kale salad. Try this. Nice vinaigrette. I'm gonna save the salmon as protein for later. So I'm just gonna eat the strawberry with the chicken right now. I really like the strawberry one, it's really good. Ooh, there's something in there that's like really, hey, like a lemony. I think it's from the quinoa salad. You guys know I don't really like tangy stuff. It's too sour for me sometimes. Oh, this yogurt sauce is good. not usually don't use dressing either. Oh, this is good stuff. It's like a yogurt dressing or something. It's like Greek. Yogurt cucumber. That's what I meant to say. Really refreshing. The best thing is this, the candied walnuts. I love candied walnuts. There's something in there that's vinegar that's really citrusy. Overall, this was absolutely delicious. Really healthy. This pita bread is so good. Alright, well, that was my lunch here. Thank you for joining in with me. Yeah, if you guys are looking for something healthy, definitely check this place out. I'm at Daphne's Creek in, this is the Ontario location, but the strawberry one is really good. All the candied walnuts. I think that's really why I really like the walnut shrimps, because I love eating the candied walnut nuts. Alright, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Gotta get yourself some delicious food, and yeah, hope to see you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and make sure to check out my website for all my merchandise. I've got clothing, prints, and stickers all up on there. And make sure to check out my social media, my Facebook page. I do a lot of live streaming, and on my Instagram page I do a lot of giveaways, and on my Twitter page I also give a shout out to where I might be, so you guys can kind of follow me on my journey, okay? And then check out my other videos, and again, make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.